Greetings, this is August 4th, 7 p.m. I do have updated satellite information from the beta system at the NRC. This update came in at approximately 5:36 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'm going to go through these screens really fast. Please pause them. First, we're looking at an overview of the fire map in the southern region. This is all the hotspots in the last 24 hours. I'm just going to call out what you're looking at. Okay, here's without the fire perimeter, the southern portion. Those are last 24 hours. This is the northern portion of the fire. Everything in the last 24 hours. So these are older fire areas. Okay, this is the corner of 99 and 97, the intersection at Hat Creek. This is what's going on right now and what's happened over the last 24 hours. Here is Loon Lake Road, that intersection on Highway 97. Okay, here is Clinton. Everything that's been going on, including the last 6 hours, including the last 12 hours, including the last 24 hours. So this is everything that's burning. This is the Chasm area. Okay, we're going to move to the north flank. Remember, we're sitting here about 8 kilometers from 70 Mile House. I can see Marsden up there. It's getting a little close. Might be 7 kilometers to 70 Mile House. Pulling back a bit towards the northeast portion of the flank. This is going up the Bonaparte. Now we're looking at Upper Loon Lake, Mount Grant, all the activity, anything that's hot in the last 24 hours. Okay, they're between Upper Loon Lake and Loon Lake and southwest of Upper Loon Lake. Okay, here's Loon Lake. You can see about 5-6 spots north of Loon Lake. A bit south. Here's Hyheim. We still have that one spot on the southern shore. I'm actually not seeing a lot of change there. This is pulling back now. That's why you're seeing that density. That's south of Hyheim. That's the eastern flank. Everything that's hot over the last 24 hours. Okay, here's that section south of Soton, north of Highway 1, east of Cache Creek. Okay, and we're back to the intersection at 97 and 99. You can see there's a spot south of Highway 99. Okay, now we're going to look at hot spots that have occurred in the last 6 hours. That is the area north of Highway 1 by Juniper Beach, east of Cache Creek. These are new hotspots as of 5:30 p.m. PST. Now we're looking at the junction of Highway 99, 97. Those are the new spots in the last 6 hours. Anything else occurred earlier than 6 hours ago, 12 hours ago, 24. There is Clinton. Only one new spot in the last 6 hours. There's the Chasm area. So everything in the Chasm has been burning a while. It's not going to show up on here. We're only looking at the new information. Here we're pulling back to look at the northeast flank. What is new? What's happened in the last 6 hours? Okay, this is looking just at what's been at least 12 hours old. So we know what happened. 12 hours ago. That's the south section of the Elephant Hill fire. This is the north section, the north flank. This is what happened 12 hours ago. So these are hotspots that were existing and within the last 12 to 24 hours. So I'm going to go back, do some analysis, go through 6, 12 hours, and then come back and post some screens. Right now we're looking at windy, I believe that's 8 kilometers an hour from the northwest. It's actually going to slow down. The velocity of the wind is going to slow slightly and maintain this northwest flow, variable east and west. Tomorrow it looks like we could get some variation from the west, and it shifts from the east. It depends on where you are, what part of the terrain you are, whether you're on the east or the west side of the Fraser Plateau. So here, a shot of Big Bar, blue sky. That's that air pushing in from the north, and hopefully that's coming your way. We saw it at the Begbie Cam about 3-4 hours earlier. Sorry, I had to take a nap. I was waiting for the satellite information to upload, so I figured let's grab some sleep. The satellite information came back. Here we are. We're looking at it. We're looking at you. Be safe.